Baby, when do you come inside?
I've been standing here for a while now.
I'm sorry, baby. Baby, have a seat.
What are you thinking? Baby, what are you thinking? Baby, what are you thinking?
Baby, I'm thinking about me and you.
Me?
Yes, babe. Babe, if we must change our present status, none of us have to go back to school. But the problem is financial assistance. I mean sponsorship.
I have always told you that it's not a problem. I'm working. I can sponsor you to university education. When you are out, then I can go in. Is that okay with you?
It's okay, baby.
Just keep to your promise.
I love you so much, sweetheart.
I love you too.
And I will keep to my promise. I won't disappoint you, baby. I love you so much. And I will not disappoint you. I promise to keep to this promise.
I love you too.
I'm not happy.
I promise to be there for you. Money will not be a problem.
That is great, baby. I really love you so much, sweetheart.
I'll make sure that you do not lack anything. Since I am working, my salary will sustain you till you finish your university.
Thank you so much. This is great, babe. I really love you so much, sweetheart.
I love you too.
Oh, Rose, my daughter. Oh, Rose, my daughter. How are you doing? How is your parent and your sibling?
They are fine, ma.
All right. Thank God. Hope you and my son are moving well, going well. Because I and your mom, we have been a long time friend. She has been nice to me. She's a good woman. So I pray that God will do it so that join you people will get married, because I and your mom, we are very good friends. So that we became family.
Thank you, ma. By the grace of God, our plan now is that he will go back to school.
School? Who is going to take care of him? You know, I'm a poor widow. I don't have anybody that is helping me. School? He will leave his work? So, I don't know what to say.
Your concern is genuine, Mom. But we can't remain in this point. We have to improve the condition of this family, Mom. We are lucky to have someone special like my fiance. Since he's still working, she'll take care of both of us.
Oh, really? Thank God. My daughter, you are the special gift in our family. We thank God that God has brought in our family. Thank God. God bless you, my daughter.
Thank you, ma. All you will do is to start a small business. I can give you money for that.
Oh, really? Ah, my daughter, come to me, come to me. I'm ready to do that. Yeah, I have the capital to start. Thank you very much. God bless you. You have been a great destiny child. Oh, my daughter, let me go and prepare something for you.
Okay,
Let me go and prepare something for you and my son so that you eat.
Okay,
Thank God, though.
Yeah.
God has done it. Let's eat.
So how about school?
Everything is fine.
Hello. Babe. High school. You need money? Okay, no problem. That would not be a problem. Just forward your account details to me. Send it to me. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Hey, Rose, my daughter. You are here.
Mom, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom. No.
Baby.
Welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
This is my daughter. I don't have money to register your brother this time around. And I don't want him to miss this semester again.
I I have no money with me. You can borrow money from the women's meeting and I will help you to refund.
Sis, can you hear yourself?
I have no money with me.
Chimo!
Mama, wait. What is even more important to you than I pay start in school? You're not even...
Kedu ụlọ ọgbakọ ụmụ akwụkwọ biko about my daughter?
I have no money with me.
What did I do, my daughter? Hey!
I have already sent money to my fiancé.
What? Hey, Chimo! Efu mmadụ aka m kwọchara aka tele ọkụkọ akụ nwa m.
Leave her.
You send money to who? Hey! Chukwu okike ịnọkwa n'igwe na-afụ ihe na-eme. Hey!
Mom, stop all these things that you are saying. Everything will be fine. When he graduates and becomes an engineer, won't you be proud to have an engineer as your in-law?
Oh well, maybe by then all my mates are in the university and I will be here waiting for an engineer to be my in-law. Ain't you tired of being a dreamer?
Fiakwa, is this what you are wishing me?
How can I wish my sister evil? Moreover, human beings are unpredictable.
I can't continue this.
It's okay. Let's go inside.
One cable
Baby.
Hi, lecture.
I'm fine, Lily. How's the lecture now?
Fine.
And I'm a guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anyhow, take care. We'll talk on phone, Sha.
Bye.
How you lecture me?
Fine, baby. I missed you.
I miss you so much.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
I missed you. Also,
Babe, how was that yesterday lecture?
babe, it was fine but stressful. I didn't really enjoy the lecture.
Everything will be fine, Sha.
Everything
Don't
will
worry.
be fine. Are you sure?
Very sure.
That everything will be fine. Let's forget about lecture. I really missed you.
I miss you also.
I missed you so much. Babe,
What are you?
I'm fine.
Any gist for me?
Just nothing special. Just normal thing.
Then what I'm even thinking, I'm thinking of coming.
Babe, who is calling you?
No, don't worry, it's my sister.
Your sister.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Very sure, babe.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are
No,
you cheating on me?
no, why would I cheat on you, babe?
Are you sure you are not cheating
Come
on
on,
me?
babe, trust me. I won't cheat on you.
I can't believe that you are not cheating on me.
No, babe. You know I really love you. I can't do anything that I can hurt you, you understand?
Are you sure?
Very sure. Now, what's up?
Bro, I do. See that man went us kill us that yesterday.
About the other lecture.
I swear I tell you.
I forget about that lecture.
You be smart, you know.
Moji, I have suffered so much in my life. Serious, I want to become a rich man. So that I don't want my children to suffer in their secondary days like me. My father dad go to market before paying my school fees. And I can't even ask him for more money for my upkeep.
That poor man. I'm very lucky. My uncle and aunt were very rich. So in my school time, I don't have any experience of financial stress as a student. I just thank God for that.
That sounds interesting. But you may not understand what I'm trying to say. Serious. But the main problem is that Rose, she's the girl I promised to marry.
What about me? He's so close and helpful to you. And you promised to marry her.
You don't really come from a rich family. And I think if I get married to her, I'll benefit from her that wealth. That is the reason. You don't really come from a rich family. And if I will get married to her, you know she's very beautiful, intelligent, you understand? And once if I get married to her, I'll be rich. But if I marry Rose, the story will remain that I will even die on poverty. You understand? That is the reason.
Now the whole story is so clear to me now. So I'm going to handle this situation. Nelly has no problem. But suppose she may die of heartbreak. So I'm going to do it. Think this thing well.
I'll think about it. Serious, I'll think about it.
Hi guys.
Hi, baby. What's up, my name?
I'm fine. Hi, study.
Fine.
Baby.
Hi.
I'm fine. I've missed you.
I miss you so much.
How you doing?
Fine.
Okay, now let me take my leave.
Okay.
For later now.
Yeah, we chat.
Okay.
Babe, how are you?
I'm good.
Have you eaten anything? Or should I go take for you?
No, since you are here, baby, you know you are cute. I don't need food for anything since you are
Baby,
here.
I love you.
Love you too.
Baby,
Come on.
baby, I really missed you.
Miss you also, baby. Seriously, I've missed you so much.
I missed you too.
I was even thinking to run with your dad. So that, serious, I can't wait.
I can't wait.
What? Jesus! So this is the reason why you no longer pick my calls. You are an incorrect person. You have forgotten how I suffered to sponsor you here in the university.
Thanks.
You have forgotten how I suffered to train you in this university. You are an incorrect person. Babe.
Please come. Stand up. Stand. Sorry.
Stay! You deceived me. You lied to me. You never told me you have a woman in the village who has trained you up to this time. Don't tell me anything. In short, we are done. I don't want to have anything to do with you. This relationship is over. Stay, don't you ever call my line again.